Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! The Ichimoku Cloud is a comprehensive indicator that defines support and resistance, identifies trend direction, gauges momentum, and provides trading signals such as a pump and a trend signal. When prices are above the cloud, it indicates bullish momentum, and when below, bearish momentum. It's a powerful tool for understanding trend direction, strength, and potential reversals. The Ichimoku Cloud consists of 5 components: the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, Senku Span A, Senku Span B, and the Chiku Span. The cloud formed between Senku Span A and B highlights areas of support and resistance with the thickness indicating trend strength. The Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are key components of the Ichimoku Cloud, a comprehensive technical analysis tool. Tenkan-sen, conversion line. This is calculated as the average of the highest high and the lowest low over the past 9 periods. It acts as a short-term indicator, showing the market trend's direction and potential support resistance levels. Kijun-sen, baseline. This is calculated as the average of the highest high and the lowest low over the past 26 periods. It serves as a medium-term indicator, providing insights into the overall market trend and acting as a strong support/resistance line. They work similar to moving averages. These lines are used together to identify trends, potential reversals, and trading signals within the Ichimoku Cloud framework. A pump signal occurs when the cloud is green, the price is above the cloud, the Tenkan-sen crosses above the Kijun-sen, and the Chiku span is above the current price. This combination indicates strong bullish momentum. A trend signal is confirmed when the price is above the cloud, indicating an upward trend, or below the cloud, indicating a downward trend. The Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen further confirms the trend direction. The cloud's direction also indicates the trend's strength and direction. Want to learn more about powerful trading tools and strategies? Join us on this 2025 Bull Run Trade Safe. We will catch you in the next tutorial on basic technical analysis trading patterns.